At what point these people is attempting to eat a whole cow head. They shaving the hair. Man, listen. It just ain't no damn way. Damn. What in the hell? Cutting it in half. To put it in the pan. The cow tongue and the cow head. At what point do they say that they don't eat everything? I'm just saying. A little bit of vegetables. Oh hell, look at it. That's why I know I couldn't live on the land like that. That cow like, you bitches. The fuck you mean? Don't pick me up now. You don't cook me and fry. Oh Lord have mercy. You see the teeth? Well, you got niggas over here to eat that shit like that. It ain't just them. Black folks eat that stuff too. Hog head, hog tongue, hog guts, liver, cow. Look at that. Look. That cow like y'all done got on my last damn nerve. I don't know y'all ain't got to eat everything from the rooter to the tutor. And the whole head ain't in that son bitch. So how you gonna? But they don't care. They eat it. They eat raw shit. They eat raw. Yes, sir. They eat raw. Cause y'all eat barely done cooked steak. Y'all medium rare. That's what they call it. So this right here ain't nothing but steak. Steak head. That's it. Cow steak head. Oh my God. Look. It ain't done. It ain't done. Pink? They look like pew worms. They eat them too though. It don't even matter. Ooh. Look at the nose. Oh God. He ate a piece of it. The forehead. Fucking up the forehead. The skin. That's the tongue there now. Cut the tongue out. Ooh, Lord. It's just as tough as it want to be. He said, give me a piece. Eat it with the sauce, girl. See what it tastes like with the sauce. Lord Jesus. That's what you're supposed to say. You're supposed to say it's good. Oh, Lord, he took the whole pan. He gonna eat the whole tongue. Putting what? Milk on it? Mm-mm. He just don't care what he eat. Now this is, said the cow got 4 stomachs. There's 4 parts to the cow's stomach. He cutting it up like worms. Mm-mm. Shredded that bitch. Oh, he gonna lay that out flat. Lord have mercy. And they don't give a fuck how it look. The texture don't mess, don't fuck with them. I don't care. They don't care how it look. If they can cook it, put it in boiling water and cook it, they eating it. Mm-mm. And soy sauce. I guess you got to drown it with that just to eat that shit. But they probably eat that for snacks. Don't it look like worms swimming in there? They eat horse too. They probably fuck around and eat a horse real quick. Shit, ain't no animals up there safe. Fuck around and let a horse die. He gone. Hot boiling water will kill it. And that don't even look done. They ready to eat it too. Look, 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 look. Big ass smile. Mm-mm. That's the sauce. Put you a few of the worms up there. Roll it around. Look, 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 look. That's what you're supposed to say is good. What you supposed to say? It ain't good? They only give it time to cool off. Some, as soon as it come out the water, they eating it. Look at it. Worm. Baby. Y'all can have it. You got to thank God for a whole lot of stuff. And they killing it. But see, they used to eating shit like this, so it ain't gonna bother them. They used to eating it. And these, what he call belly buns. It's meat they rolled up in cow gut. Honey, you couldn't pay me. You couldn't pay me to eat with them. Ain't nothing I seen they eat that I would say, okay, I eat nothing. Cow gut with meat rolled in it. That's where he keep his salt at in a little pocketbook. I said, I wonder if I start doing that. Mix my salt and pepper, put it in a little pocketbook and hang it up. Hell yeah, this seems a little convenient, huh? Look at that, look at that. Cow gut balls. That's what they are. Look at the texture on it. Look like little shit pricks sticking out on it. Look, 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 look. Can you see it? Look. Look. He gonna cut it open. See? So I'm thinking he gonna cut, I'm thinking he eat the string and everything. See the pricks on it? Y'all have some. Sit on down and get your plate of a couple of balls. And let's bon appetit. He gonna eat the string. And this another one. This uncooked sausage. Alright, why don't you just cook? I mean, I know that some of that shit he said he cooked for an hour need to be cooked for about 2 hours. You don't take no time to cook vegetables, but I'm talking about the meat. Down there, that's daddy there. That one happy than a motherfucker. He getting ready to eat some raw meat. Stay grinning. He ready to eat. That one there in that brown, stay hungry. Ready to eat. Look, 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 look. Yes, he ready. He don't care if it ain't done or not. The way he be eating. Yeah, he ready to eat. Look, 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 look. Tell him to go get it. He ain't done yet, boy. I told you he'll eat it raw. Tell him it ain't ready, Daddy. You know Daddy don't care. He getting ready to pull it right on out and get rid to him. Well, they used to eating raw. Look at it. Just as white. Look, 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 look. And he just pulled it out of the pot. He don't care. Dip it and eat it. Just like that. And this is steak, cow steak. You know this ain't getting ready to be done. But a lot of y'all like y'all meat this damn red. Some of you just like where you put it in the pan, flip it one side, flip it to the other side, and out. Y'all eat it like that. Let's get to the meat. I mean, the water be hot enough, but they just don't let it sit in there long enough. And I thought my steak be tough. Them some big old T-bone. Just sit there. Rather than moving all of that.
Oh, I didn't know I was on
I'm talking about there, in that chair.
Oh.
You ain't got to move the shower. Just sit on the thing. That's how I got it fixed there. Just sit on it.
Oh.
I told you ain't do nothing but flip it. You know that meat ain't done. Look at it. Red on one side. And they look good on the outside, but you know once you cut into it, it is not ready. That meat ain't bit more done. It look good. But wait till they get ready to cut into it. But of course, you know they gonna eat it. Don't waste nothing. Okay, that little piece look real. That look like it was done. There he go, eating the lemon. He's supposed to cover it with... Show him how to do it, Daddy. No, it ain't his first time eating. Look. Look. And he said he got the chain knives to cut it. That's cause it ain't done. That shit just as tough as my ass. You know, I mean, even I know you ain't got to eat. Baby, look at. He eating the fat. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Pull on that meat. Don't pull that fat. Let's look at that. Look at that. They saying it's tough as hell, Daddy. But we gonna make it look good. Look at that. How you drinking milk and wine? Oh, he drinking Bon Appetit. I don't know what it is, but all his meat be tough as shit. Look at that. What in the world? Beef tenderloin. Plate look nice. You ain't got to worry about the vegetables. Like I said, them vegetables gonna be done. It's that meat house that you cooking. Look at it. Oh Lord. I know I'd be a vegetarian staying over there. I wouldn't be eating up, but I'd be anorexic probably. You know, I don't need to do vegetables. Put the bones back in there. Good. Look at that salt pocketbook. And that might be done, because I think he let it stay in there a little bit. And let's see how tough it is when he bite into it. See, now that's done. They right there done. All day long. Done. Now see how easy, let me see how easy you bite into this. But they thin slices, so you shouldn't try to break your teeth trying to bite it. See? Tough as leather. Tough as damn leather. You ain't doing something right, Pop. See? I might need to teach him how to make it where you ain't got to pull on it like that. No, sorry, Bob. You know that right there something ain't right. Something ain't the foot right, Papa Smurf. You got it. And well, y'all, I guess that's the sweets. But I'm gonna end the video right here. Let me know what y'all think about this dude eating and how he cook his beef. Is that the way it's supposed to be ate? Or his tough as leather? I couldn't do it. And would you eat? Tell me what you saw him cooking. Comment below what you would eat. Or what you would try. Let me know. Love y'all.